What's up guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Alex and we're adding more parts to the Denali build. So today I'm actually installing something pretty sweet. It's not really for looks, it's for like use. You know, like this stuff's actually pretty practical. Like I had this installed in my other truck and this stuff pretty sweet because you probably guessed it. It's a tonneau cover. We got it off Amazon. It's the brand is TYGER. I'm gonna have the link in the description. So let's just unbox it. Actually, why I like this is when you go snowboarding or you have to put anything in the back, it's waterproof. It seals it up. You have a little strip of foam in the front and the back. When you install this, it's easy to install and it just seals it up. And if you have a locking tailgate, you just lock it, you know, and people can't get into it. Well, of course they can probably cut it with like a razor, but you know, if they don't see what's in there, they're not gonna have no interest. So moving on, this is what you get in the box. This is the actual tonneau cover here. It's in the nice little canvas bag. Here's the side rails. This is just like the checklist of like everything that came with it. Make sure it's all good. And here are the clamps. Yeah, these are just gonna clamp to the bed, like the bed rail inside. Here's the strip, like the weather stripping foam. You put it on the end of the bed and then in the start too. And this is gonna go right on top of it and it's gonna seal it. Just instructions. If you've never installed these before, these are actually pretty helpful. So it's pretty simple. You put the foam weather stripping on the edge of the bed in the front. Then you just put the side rails and then you have 3 clamps on each side. And then you just bolt on the tonneau cover in front right here and then just unroll it and it locks up right there. So just you want to clean off the area where the weather stripping is going to go. So I just use alcohol, kind of clean up, and then it just goes on right here, right at the edge. Alright, so I put that one on. It's kind of a 2-person job. You just it's easier if somebody's holding it and then you just adjust it and put the clamps on. But this is pretty much how it goes. You put it right on the edge of this rail, have even spacing, and then these clamps just go inside right here. Okay, that's good for now. Alright, so I put the rails on the bed. I just kind of tighten them up a little bit just so I can have them in place, and then I'm gonna unscrew these. Put these bolts into these holes and then just line everything up. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this bolt goes into that hole right there, and then this rail over here sits in between both of these. Alright, so I put all the clamps on. I tighten them all up because when you tighten it, the clamps, it like picks up the rail, and then this rail actually fits better in between. So now I'm just gonna tighten up these. They're 17mm. Alright, now we're just gonna unroll it and see where it ends up, if it fits. Reapply these. Alright, the install is done. Everything looks good, everything is nice and tight. So how this works is you just, this channel, you put it into these little hooks like that, and then it just closes. But first, if you want to actually have it sealed up, you close your tailgate first. and put this loop inside, put it onto those hooks, and then just push down. And that's it. So it actually seals it up. And then when you go to open it up, just open the tailgate, hold this thing down, and roll it up. That's it. Quick, easy install, pretty cheap, and it's actually practical and useful. So, alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a quick one. I'll see you guys in the next one.